common question people often have when trying to improve their mechanics is what's better, edit on release on or no edit on release. Today I'll be weighing the pros and cons to help you decide which one's better for you. I think I'm qualified to do this analysis because I have experience on both edit release and no edit on release. The first thing that usually comes to mind when weighing the two settings are the pros that play on each. Edit on release has players like Booga, Cooper, Epic Will, and Peterbot, while no edit on release has Clicks, Kanata, Mr. Savage, and Tayson. I think that the main sacrifice between the two settings is crosshair placement for ease of editing and speed. For example, if I'm in a box and on edit on release I'm trying to make a good peanut butter peak, I have to sacrifice my crosshair placement and look up. That's going to make my shot a lot harder to hit, whereas if I were on no edit on release, I would be able to edit and then confirm while looking at my opponent and have a much easier shot to hit. In conclusion, I think that for aspiring competitive players, the best choice of setting is the one you already play on. There are pros on both settings, and there are many more important things to spend your time on to improve if you want to actually go pro. For creative and token players, I think that the best setting is edit on release because it enables you to be quicker, and I think fastness is much more important for creative and tokens than it is for actual in-game and tournaments. Thanks for watching, bye.